Hey there, Frailers. But Linda was mine till the time that I found her, holding Jim and loving him. That Sue came along, loved me strong, that's what I thought. But me and Sue, that died too. Don't know that I will, but until I can find me a girl who'll stay and won't play games behind me, I'll be what I am, a solitary man, solitary man. I've had it here where love's just a small word, a part-time thing, paper ring. I know it's been done, having one girl who loves you, right or wrong, weak or strong. Don't know that I will, but until I can find me a girl who'll stay and won't play games behind me, I'll be what I am, solitary man, solitary man, solitary man, solitary man. Okay. Well, that was actually from a suggestion somebody made to me, and realized I thought that would be a pretty fun Frailing folk song of the week. So let's get started on that one. Main chords in here are your E minor and an A minor and G and a couple of D's in there. And those are really the chords you have to worry about for this one. None of those dastardly F's in this particular week's song. Anyway, so we start out with an A minor. Now you can do this a couple of ways. You can play it as a straight Frailing strum, which would just be striking the fourth string. So it'd be now what I like to do is I like to do a hammer-on just before. So it's like it's the first time is through. The second time then I do a, so it's so really I'm separating that first note into two, like that. So it's ordinary Frailing strum would be, and then I immediately follow that with the second, which is, so and that's the rhythm that I'm using for Belinda was, then it goes right immediately to an A minor. So I'm doing kind of the same thing here, only in this case I'm actually hammering down on two strings at the same time. You could just make it like that, and it goes to an open G. So it's Linda was mine till the G, time that I back to E minor found her. And it goes back to G, holding to A minor Jim, back to G, loving him. Then it goes back to that E minor again. Sue came along, back to A minor, long, love me strong. So that's a G. That's what I thought. So it goes back to A minor, back to open G. Me and Sue to A minor. That died too. So you're just doing the G to A minor, G to A minor. So it's me and Sue, that died too. Now it goes into the chorus, which goes to a G. Don't know that I see. So it's G, C, G, D. So that goes through twice. So it's don't know that I will, but until I can find me. So it's that G, C, G, D. A girl who'll stay, but won't play games behind me. Now it goes back to E minor again. I'll be what I... Now it goes to E minor. Now you can just do that as a solitary man. Solitary man. So it's just going from the E minor to the D. Now what I did when I played it through the first time is I actually did my E minor and I struck down on the 4th string twice. So it's... And then dragged my fingernail through the 3rd and 2nd strings. So it's... And then quickly switch to a D. Solitary man, solitary man. Now I actually did a little bit of double thumbing on that D, so what I did was a... But you don't have to do that. It sounds kind of nice if you do, and if you want to give it a try, then give it a try. But remember, the double thumbing is just... You're striking, instead of the normal Frailing strum, you're actually doing the thumb twice. Or like that. Solitary man. E minor to D. Solitary man. Do that a couple of times. And then it goes back to the verse again, which is just... I've had it to here, goes to A minor. Where love goes to open G. Love's just us back to E minor. A small word. G, part-time thing, A minor, back to G, a paper ring, and then it goes back to the E minor again. I know it's been done, A minor, having one, oh, it's a G, girl who loves you, E minor, back to G, right or wrong, right or wrong. So it goes to G to A minor again. G, weak or strong, A minor again. That goes back to that chorus. Don't know if I will, but till I can find me. So it's just G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D. That goes back to that E minor again. I'll be what I am. Solitary man. Solitary man. Or if you prefer the solitary man. Solitary man. Solitary man. That's the whole song. Anyway, you guys hopefully have fun with that, and I will see you pretty soon. Bye.